Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install the legs or the stands of your TCL Google TV. Now this specific one is a 55-inch C735, which is a 2023 model. And what you need to do is once you take the TV out of the box, you want to put it flat on a surface that's not very hard. For instance, I decided to put mine on the box of the TV, as you can see. And so that gives you room to work with the spaces at the bottom where you need to put the legs. So on one side, we have the R side, two holes, and then these two plugs that go into the two holes of each stand. And you have the same for the other side. Okay, so I'll just pick one of the legs, and the legs for some reason look symmetrical, and you can put either leg on either side. So the important thing to do is to make sure the leg faces outside, like this angle is opening up towards the outside, okay, like this, not like this. So make sure the legs look like this. And so what you want to do is put these two sockets into the two holes and have a screwdriver ready. So the screws for the stands should come in your TV's packaging. As you can see, here we are. And so all you have to do is get them ready. So just align and once you align, there should be no movement because the two sockets get in there, and then the holes on this stand should align with the holes on the TV so that you're able to put a screw in there. Simply screw in the stands. Make sure they're just tight enough, not too tight. That should be good. And then put in the other screw. There are two screws for each stand. Okay, so just make sure you put both of them. Closer, like that. There you go, just tight enough, and the stand should be firm. Okay, do that for the other side. Simple as that. Now the stands are ready and they're firm, they're not shaky. Now you're ready to put the TV upright. And that is basically how to install the stands of your TCL Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.